Hey, I'm Nazar from Garage Door Geeks. Today we'll be changing the travel limits on an existing Somfy motor. Right now we have it set in the intermediate position. If you want to change the up limit, we'll bring the motor to the top position. We'll take our remote and we'll press the up and down simultaneously. After it jogs, we are able to adjust the top limit, and we will press the middle button to save the upper limit, and we will wait until it jogs. Now the new limit has been established, and we will repeat the same thing for a new bottom limit. We will bring the screen all the way to the ground. And right now our screen is a little bit too low and we see some waves in the fabric. So we will bring it a little bit higher. So again, we will press and hold the top and bottom button. We will wait until the motor jogs. And now we are able to readjust the bottom limit by pressing either the up or the down to where you want it. There we go. Let's save it here. And we will press the middle button and wait for the motor to jog once again. Now that it's jogged, the programming is complete and it saved the new bottom position. And now we will retest the top limit and see if it stops the new desired up position. And it's saved in the new up position.